So, good day everyone. My name is Joseph Benjamin De Leon, and today I'll be teaching you about how to install and set up Windows 8. So, first of all is click natin tong new button and insert tayo ng VM name Windows 8. And next is yung ISO image. Hanapin natin yung ISO file ng Windows 8, which is ito. Then i-uncheck natin itong proceed with an unattended installation. And next is punta tayo sa specify virtual hardware and set natin to into 4096. And next, finish and start natin. So, dito mag-enter lang tayo ng product key natin, NGH H for HW, hindi, NG for HW and VH26C and 7233 KW and K6F98 and J8 CK4. And next natin, yun natin kung tatanggapin. And next is accept natin yung license terms. Next, install Windows only. And dito drive options, new, apply, okay, and format, okay, and next. And wait lang natin yung installation, medyo matagal yan, i-fast forward na lang natin. So, PC name ang ilalagay natin dito is next, use express settings, sign in without a Microsoft account. Wait lang. And dito username natin is finish.
sa VirtualBox. Yun lang po. Thank you for watching.
So, yun, meron na tayong Windows 8 and that's all. Thank you.